here from This Is Knit with I wanted to show you a extra special Christmas kit that we have here in the shop. It is one ball of Yarntelier's cashmere lace in this beautiful mist colour, and then one ball of the Townhouse Yarns Abbey lace as a knit on border, and I'll show you the shawl now and you can see how beautiful it is, the finished garment. So there we have it. So the centre part using the cashmere lace, and then the knit on border is done with the Abbey lace, which is really, really lovely. It is a little for the advanced knitter, but nothing that's not doable. So there we have it. It's the Osprey pattern. The pattern is included, and the yarn. Just want to show you some more of our beautiful sets, super special sets here. The Soul Warmer, this is a beautiful pull-on cowl, really, really nice, by Justina Lokowska. And we have beautiful teals that Jenny has dyed up with Townhouse Yarn singles, and then some beautiful pinks as well. So that's that one, and I'm just going to pop this down here, and then I'm going to show you the filigree. Again, sorry, I have to. Filigree is wonderful. It's by Norn Yarns, Tuva from Norn Yarns in Norway. So this is Julie Knits in Paris, her wrap. I mean, look, such a beautiful princess wrap, this one. And it's the Norn yak and silk and merino. And we have blues left and we have pinks left. So there you go. Thank you.